Protest by law students seeking promotion of all students to the next semester went out of control on January 5th, with ink being thrown at the Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Law University. Following the incident in the university campus in Hubli, 3 students were taken into custody by the police. The protest by the students, particularly those of even semester, has been underway for close to a month. On January 5th, a protest march and dharna were planned to intensify the agitation. Vice Chancellor Professor P. Ishwara Bhatt was leaving the site of the protest when students started raising slogans seeking his resignation. While the police were escorting Professor Bhatt to his office, one of the protesters threw ink at the Vice Chancellor, which also fell on the police personnel. Immediately, police took 3 students into custody for questioning. Students' organizations, NSUI, ABVP, and others have extended support to the agitation, and the issue was also raised during the winter session at Belgavi. 2 orders have been passed recently by the Dharwad bench and principal bench of the High Court of Karnataka, with the one ordering promotion of 3-year LLB students to the next semester and the other dismissing the petition of the 5-year LLB students.